Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. We're going to learn how to install a software in Ubuntu without using commands, or we'll talk about maybe Kali Linux and other flavors. So what you're gonna do, there's a tool called Synaptic. I installed it already. It's called Synaptic. So it's gonna be Synaptic. Yes, this is the tool called Synaptic. So what we do, you go and search. So firstly, you will install this tool into your Linux first. Then if you want to start installing softwares without using without using your command prompt, so what they call terminal. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put for you in terminal. So if we're in terminal here, you say, I want to show just how to install it, but you installed it, installed it already. You just say sudo, then you say su, you enter, then you put in your password. Then after that you enter. So now you root, then you say apt get install. Yes, install. You get the correct spelling of that and say Synaptic. After that you hit enter. So I installed it already, that's why I'm not going to install it. So once you have this tool, what you're gonna do, you search for the software you wanna install. I would say we look for the software which called, let me remember well, is it GMP? I think GMP. It will say it's maybe GMP. Let's try to search. We see. Do we get that what we're looking for? Yeah, there are many, but I want to look for a specific software I want to install. GMP is for what? For images. Let me get into remembering what you're gonna do. You can install, you can search for any software, but I wanted to search that specifically for us to play with. It's gonna be maybe, yeah, GIMP. I think it's gonna be GIMP. Then you search it. Yes, so now we're gonna look for that software, GIMP. This is the software. You click on that software, it says mark for installation. You mark it, and yes, after marking, it's gonna take whatever it needs to be installed well. So after that, then you say apply. Simple. You don't need commands anymore. After that, you say still apply. So it's gonna start installing. It's just downloading, and after it's gonna install the software, we're gonna see the software, how it works. Not much how it works, but this is the reason why we're doing this, is to show you how to install a software without using CMD, from Windows environment, I'm sorry, without using the terminal on your Linux, even if it's Kali Linux, even if it's Ubuntu. I'm using Ubuntu for now. So for us, we can do what, Ubuntu is easier to do much of the stuff from if a person is from Windows, but if you're from a different if you're from Windows and you go to a different flavor of Linux, it could be somehow a little bit difficult for you, but not that much. So but Ubuntu is so much close to Windows. So we try to do this, after it installs, we're gonna try to open it and we see how really it works. So I think the software is done, the installation is done, so we're gonna try to see if I can look for it. GMP GIM, yes, I got that. I'm gonna open the software for us, guys. We're gonna see how it works. It's just a graphic design software. It does a lot, but this is the tool. If you want to create your images, this is where you're gonna do this. That's what you're gonna use. So I just installed a quick software so that we do what we see how you install a software without using command prompt, without using your terminal. And this is the way you can just say, come here, you create new, advanced. Maybe I want to create a logo, then I say okay, then this is my space where I'm going to design. And if you're a good designer, this is a good tool. I want to say Azania tutorials, Azania tutorials. Okay, so got that. You can click on that and select whatever you want to select. You can select the pixels, you can select the color, you can make it red if you want to. You say okay, then it's red. You can make it whatever color you want to make it. But guys, don't forget to subscribe, please. This is the only software we installed using our Synaptic, so you don't need any commands to install software. So this is good, guys. So this is the tool you have to install first, then you can search for any software you're looking for. So we just install this. It doesn't mean there are no other softwares. There are many softwares you can put it in. You can maybe look for wine. In case you look for wine, then you can search wine, get wine, looking for wine, then I get to wine here, then I mark it, and I say mark, then I do what? I do install wine. Thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on our channel and share our content. See you in the next video.